I'm Maria from Brianna's Braids and I have Ariana with me today, and we want to show you how to do an easy cat ear hairstyle since we're already talking about Halloween and costumes. So I'm gonna spin you around. And the great thing about this hairstyle that it's super quick and super easy to do. So let's get started. Start off by having the middle part line, and now I'm going about 2 inches away from the forehead and making another part line going down to ear on my right side, and repeating the same part line on the left side and tying the rest of the hair in a low ponytail. Now I'm separating the hair going from temple down to the part line that we've just made. Flip the bottom half of the hair out of the way. I will spray some water and spray gel to keep hair nice and smooth. Brush it out and tie it in a ponytail with an elastic. I will do the same steps on the other side, going from temple down to the part line. Clip the lower section of the hair out of the way, spray water and spray gel to keep hair nice and smooth, and tie it together with an elastic. Now bottom section, let it out of the clip and do the same steps. Spray water and spray gel, brush it, tie it with an elastic, and the same on the other side. Now take your top left ponytail, spray it with water and gel, and I want quite a lot of spray gel on it. Split it to 3 equal strands and cross your right strand over the middle, left strand over the middle, right strand over the middle, left strand over the middle. So we are doing a simple French braid. I want this braid to be pretty tight. So continue braiding all the way down and bend it to the bottom ponytail to see how big you want your ear to be. And once you're happy with the look, secure it with an elastic. I'm going to use the same elastic to attach my braid to the bottom ponytail. Now go back and pinch that top of the ear. I will go and give it a little bit more of the spray gel just to keep it in position. And I'm repeating the same steps with the other side, so make a French braid, try to match the same length as you did on the other side, and pinch that top of the ear and give it a few more sprays of the spray gel just so it stays nice and put. Attach the bottom ponytails with an elastic at the back. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorial is being uploaded. And as usual, all the products that I used in this video I will link down in the description box below, and we'll see you next time for another tutorial. Bye!